All right, so you're thinking about heading to St. Petersburg, Russia for the first time? Awesome choice. Let me give you the lowdown on this incredible city. First things first, get ready to be blown away by the stunning architecture. The colorful buildings, grand palaces, and intricate cathedrals will make you feel like you've stepped into a fairy tale. Don't forget your camera, because every corner is a picture-perfect moment waiting to happen. Now, when it comes to food, you're in for a treat. Russian cuisine is hearty and delicious. Be sure to try classics like borscht, pelmeni, and blini. And of course, you can't leave without tasting some authentic Russian vodka. Just remember to drink responsibly. One of the must-see attractions in St. Petersburg is the Hermitage Museum. Trust me, you could spend days exploring its vast collection of art and artifacts. It's like stepping into a treasure trove of history and culture. Oh, and let's not forget about the White Nights. During the summer months, St. Petersburg experiences almost 24 hours of daylight. It's a magical time when the city comes alive with festivals, concerts, and a vibrant atmosphere that you won't find anywhere else. And if you're a history buff, you'll be in heaven here. From the iconic Peter and Paul Fortress to the somber reminders of the siege of Leningrad, St. Petersburg is steeped in history at every turn. So, whether you're wandering through the majestic gardens of Peterhof, cruising along the canals, or simply soaking in the beauty of the city, St. Petersburg will capture your heart and leave you wanting more. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure in this enchanting city. St. Petersburg, here you come.